Manohar Lal Khattar is set to become the Haryana Chief Minister for the second term as the Bharatiya Janata Party, and Janayak Janata Party is forming the next state government in an alliance. Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity organized the Alert Public Rally with regard to Indo-Naga peace talks in Manipur today. The rally kick-started from the office of All Manipur United Clubs organization amidst tight security. 6 hardcore militants of band outfit, United Liberation Front of Assam Independent, laid down arms before security forces in Assam's Tinsukia district on Friday. The militants surrendered before the security forces with a huge catch of arms and ammunition during the combing operation launched by Assam Police, Indian Army, Cobra Battalion of CRPF against the militants in the district along Assam-Arunachal border. A 2-day tourism orientation program jointly organized by Manipur Tourism Forum and Directorate Handloom and Textile for the Handloom Weavers concluded at Imphal Peace Museum, Maibam Lotpaching today. Jiribam journalists today met Hidam Rajiv, who was a team member of Chandrayaan's second mission recently launched by Indian Space Research Organization. Rajiv is the son of Hidam Indra Kumar Singh and Hidam Sanahanbi Devi from Dibong, Jiribam. Talks between the Working Committee of Naga National Political Groups and interlocutor RN Rabi, which was scheduled to be held in New Delhi on Friday in the latest round of Indo-Naga parleys, would not be held, media reports said. Radha Krishna Mathur, the advisor to Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Deb, has been appointed as the first Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, media reported. R.K. Mathur was the former Chief Secretary of Tripura and will take charge as Ladakh's LG from October 31st. Ahead of the Ningo Chakoba festival, a temporary market was set up by women vendors from different communities of Hairok and nearby villages in Thobal district today at the playground of Chingdompok Ideal Top Youth Club, Hairok. Different varieties of organic fruits and various other items were sold at the pop-up market. Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, Social Development Institute, Aishok, and Aishok Graham Panchayat jointly organized a Graham Log of Manipuri poetries today at Aishok of Bisnupur district. Speaking at the event, Governor of Manipuri Advisory Board Sahitya Academy, New Delhi, N. Kiran Kumar said that the Graham Log provides a platform to writers from rural areas to showcase their writing skills and creativity. A training program on development schemes as an instrument for social protection for northeastern states was organized by V.V. Giri National Labour Institute under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India from October 21st to 25th at its campus in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The program aimed to develop an understanding of social protection and livelihood security for workers, mainly in the unorganized sector, and provide a linkage with the development schemes and other issues.